Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this, the IEEI Lulu hiking poles and foldable Nordic walking poles for women, for men, and so on. They're adjustable from 110 up to 130 centimeters. This is aluminum tracking poles with an ultralight telescopic function with 8 walking poles, rubber bumpers for tracking. Collapsible and adjustable. Because these hiking poles have a foldable design, its folded length of only 36 centimeters, so you can easy place it in supplied storage bag. Easy to carry on the go. And these hiking poles unfolding can be adjusted between 110 and 130 centimeters to meet the needs of a people of different sizes. So what? We and our family and friends can enjoy the outdoor hiking fun together. And the lightweight and durable materials. This hiking poles is made out of 70-75 aluminum alloy and only 260 grams for a single light feeling mountaineering and a hiking more easy and fast, while the high toughness supports helps us to walk steadily on the rugged mountains and extreme cold ice. The black coated on the surface of the poles and the internal Hercules connection rope not only protects against rust and corrosion but also makes it easy to clean. And we have a comfortable ergonomic design. Carefully designed adjustable wrist strap. The length of the wrist straps can be changed as easy peasy, and it is designed to do this because it's so cool. We have a comfortable and soft no-hinge strangulation design, and it's ergonomically EVA extended handle and a groove breathable, sweet absorbing and non-slip, comfortable to hold handle has room for up and down movement, so we do not need to adjust the height of the poles when encountering steep slopes, so that hiking relax more. And we have multi-terrain accessories. The set comes with 4 different protectors for different terrain and 2 hiking poles which are foldable. Simply change the protectors on the bottom of the Nordic walking poles depending on the terrain, and we will be able to conquer a wide range of hiking areas with sticks like that, such as mountaineering, snow, gravel, grass, and so on. It is also suitable for Nordic ski pole mode or Southern European mountain hiking mode. So we have a lot of user scenarios. This walking sticks set combines high quality, particularity, and lightness in one. All accessories can be easily stowed in the included storage bag and put it into our luggage and travel bag without taking up any space. It is perfect for us and our family and friends to hike, ski, and enjoy Nordic walking. And it is also a nice sports device to gain our sports level. These Nordic walking poles are adjustable. These are aluminium tracking poles, ultralight, telescopic. 8 walking poles, rubber bumpers are included because these hiking poles combines high quality, particularity, and lightness in one. The entire accessories can be easily stored in the supplier. We enjoy the beauty of the nature, and it is also good choice for sports. We have all what we need. The hiking poles, which are foldable 2 times, multi-terrain protection accessory 8 times, and one brassable mesh pocket. That brings us a lot of joy. But more, it brings us a lot of joy with a lot of sports. These are the IEEI Lulu hiking Nordic walking poles for women, for men, and they're adjustable from 110 up 130 centimeter. And the guy here was 180 centimeter large, and it works perfect for him. Aluminium alloy. These tracking poles are ultralight and telescopic, with 8 walking poles, rubber bumpers for sports and for hiking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Let's go hiking with that. Oh yeah. Sun sun.